divided by time.
Okay.
If we think about energy, let's think about potential. So that would be Q V over T. And Q divided by T, well, technically delta V. Q divided by T is current, so that's IV, delta V. So power could be solved, if you know the current, you know the potential drop or potential difference, you can find power that way. I know from Ohm's law, if we're dealing with resistors, V equals IR. If I plug that in for here, I get I times IR, which is I squared R.
Okay.
And the other version of it is solve for I, and you get delta V squared over R, which equals I squared, for resistors, I squared R, which equals I.
So, I times delta V is the same thing? Or should?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
On 87, it talks about like the threshold of sensation.
Yep.
What is that? Like, do we have to memorize what the threshold of sensation is?
No, there's gonna be a table somewhere. Find the current through a person and identify the likely effect on her if she touches 120 AC source, if she's standing on a rubber mat. So a lot less current if she's standing on a rubber mat than on wet grass. And they indicate that by a much larger drop in current, sorry, resistance. So you would find the current, and then you would figure out what is the sensation. I assume that there is a table.
And same thing for 88 with the ventricular
Yeah.
There'll be a table that tells us if it occurs or
Yeah,
not.
there should be a table. Let's see, those are the alphas, temperature coefficients. Don't know exactly where that table is at the moment, so let's see. Then they get into the human. There we go. On page 790 of my book, table is 20.3. 1 milliamp threshold of sensation, 5 milliamps maximum harmless current, and then so on. 6 amps, onset of sustained ventricular contraction or respiratory paralysis. Heartbeat may return to normal.
What would you tap?
Yeah, those are, I think, some of the choices. And I would give you that information if you needed it. All right, seems like we are raring to go. Because I know how long it takes people to do quizzes. That's it. 2 administrivia things. So we have 9, this is February 29, 30, 31, 30. Not that many days, 29, 1, 2, 3, okay. So that would be March 4th. We have school March 4th.
And that Tuesday,
Oh, there's school on that Tuesday?
at least. I could be totally wrong, but usually we have that Monday, Tuesday.
All right, well, there's a break in here, the mid-semester break, popping in here somewhere. I would like to do a quiz on 21 and the test. I would just assume the test not be after the break, but the way it's looking right now, we're either cramming stuff together, or we are putting the test after the break.
The test for.
19 and 20. Chapters 20 and 21.
Have we started 21?
We finished 21 actually.
What is it?
That was the whole circuit analysis.
So,
Is that all 21 is?
That's the important part of my head.
So, the 28th, that's a Wednesday.
That's a Wednesday.
So the 28th, or like next week, Wednesday, you can do, I don't know, like, I mean, if you wanna do the test before the break, you can do the master set and quiz for 21 on the 28th, and then have the test on that Monday.
I have no problem with the test on that Monday, but it comes down to how much time do you have afterwards? Because no matter how short I think my test is, it's not that short.
well,
There is one exception, that was years ago, decades ago. Jack, I'm sorry, I cut you off.
no, I was just thinking, yeah, I mean, I have after class free, but that is not for everyone.
I mean,
If we come on a Tuesday, I don't know when the break is.
Yeah, if we go on Tuesday, then I think that makes it a whole lot simpler. I think Jack's about to look up.
My calc teacher said the last day of his class is March 4th.
Is that the?
That's the Monday.
So I don't know if that's universal or just his class, but.
Day-week classes end on the 4th.
Yeah, cause spring break is from the 5th to the 9th.
Yeah, all right, so we don't have that Tuesday.
I mean, everybody wants to have, fifth, first day of spring break. Physics sounds like a great thing. Great to start to learn.
Or we could do the, I don't know if you wanna do the test before the quiz, cause if we do the test.
If we do the test before the quiz, the only thing that could possibly do is if you tank that last question of the test, then you have one more chance to show that you know what you're doing.
And I think most people can get the quiz done on that Monday. At least they would, I feel like people would do it.
So you're proposing
Someone-
test this coming Tuesday,
Probably.
but the quiz that Monday.
Cause that still gives us that hour and a half or whatever it is too.
Hour and 50 minutes.
Oh. 21.
I
Any
feel like
objection to what we'll call Jack's plan?
Is that not like 3 days?
Well, it's next Wednesday.
It's a week from yesterday.
Okay.
You have 6 days.
I'm assuming Master Set 21 will be due with the quiz.
I'm good with that. They'll recommend you work on it before the test.
Do you not do as much music appreciation as the teacher said?
All right. Jack's plan it is. All right, so test 1B,
Chapters 21, 20 and 21.
20, 21. Then we have homework quiz 21 and master set 21 due right before spring break.
So for the test and the quiz, I guess, you said, make sure to review those big resistor problems that have multiple batteries.
Yep. The last problem of the test will be something like that. Will be a problem of that nature, and then the quiz will be a problem of that nature.
And then chapter 20, what was the main focus on that one?
Ohm's law was a big part of that. That's what you're doing the quiz on today.
Okay.
To me, Ohm's law was the big part, and resistivity.
So just making sure I have this. So the 27th is going to be the quiz. I mean the test.
The test.
And then the 26th is the quiz or March?
No,
4th?
March 4th.
So if we miss that big question on the end of the test, and then we get it all right on the quiz, would that count as our test corrections for the test?
Yes,
Cause you know that we know how to do it.
yes.
Wait, so the exam is on Monday, but the quiz is after the break?
No, the break starts on the 5th. The test is on the 27th, that's next Tuesday.
Okay.
The quiz
The following Monday.
is the following Monday.
It's in the flipped order that we normally do.
Yes. Because we're rebels. We're bad news. Dottie. Pee-wee's Big Adventure reference, Justin. All right. Hopefully, this quiz will be short, and then we will, I should erase some of this stuff. I'll get to it. Hopefully the quiz is short, and then we can start talking about any questions or magnetism.
Dr. Fox, you don't happen to have any tape with you?
Oh, I think I can help you out there. What kind do you want?
The white clear stuff.
The white clear stuff, yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
And do you have calculators?
Pardon?
Do you have calculators?
All right, 1, 2. Calculator, three calculators.